Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tech tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. So if you're seeing my wallpaper right now, I created this with Nano Banana Pro for free, and this is a 4K quality image. So if you want to create wallpaper for your PC, you can also create this type of wallpaper for free. And I'm going to show you three websites where you can use the Nano Banana Pro for free. Also, I'm going to show you how you can create 4K quality image for free. So the first website that I'm sharing with you is Dreamina AI. Now, if you go to this AI image option, you can see they have Nano Banana Pro, and this is currently right now for free to use. So I asked Google if Nano Banana Pro is free in Dreamina AI, and this is Nano Banana Pro is currently available with full free access on the Gemini platform for a limited time period of 7 days. So I've been using Gemini AI for a couple of times. You can select 16:9 ratio and any other aspect ratio that you want, and they have 2K quality and ultra 4K quality. So if I just gave a prompt here using the Nano Banana Pro, and currently as you can see I don't have any credits, they also give daily credits to use. So if I just give the prompt with the same prompt that I created the wallpaper and click submit, and it will start to create the 4K quality image for me. So it will take some time. As you can see, lots of people are creating images. That's why it's going to take 9 minutes, but maybe it will less than that because I've been creating lots of images with this model right now. As you can see, I also created these images with Nano Banana Pro in Dreamina AI. But there's a downside using the Dreamina AI, which is that if you download any image from here, so if I just click on download and download this image, which I created for free using the Nano Banana, and also this is in 4K quality. So this image has been downloaded. So if I open this image, as you can see, this will give you a watermark here. So don't worry, I'll show you two websites also where you can create 4K quality also without watermark. So this is one website where you can use the Nano Banana Pro for free, and I have created this type of images for free with Nano Banana Pro. Look at the quality of this, and if you don't believe me that this is 4K quality and I'm right now using this for free, if I go to this menu option and click on this resize image, this is created by another website that I'm going to show you, and you can see the current size of this image is 30 MB. So this just a one single image, and also you can see the pixel here. This is really the 4K quality that you want in Nano Banana Pro. So the next website that is giving you the free to use Nano Banana is Lovart AI. So I'll give all the link in the description box. You can use it for free right now. Just create an account, come to this Lovart.ai, and you will give daily credits for every day, 100 credits. At the first time when I was using this, they're giving like thousands of credits for free for creating an account. I don't know, maybe you will get any free credits just creating an account right now. But if you use this for daily, they will give you 100 credits for every day. And you can see Nano Banana Pro here, and if you select that, now you can choose many other style to create Nano Banana images like design pixel, perfect web interface, or any other type comic style. Put your logo and edit it. So Lovart AI is a complete designing AI editing application. You can use it right now, the Nano Banana Pro for free. Also, you can upload your image and edit it. So I'm just going to again give the random prompt here to show you that is for free, and I have 1095 credit as you can see. And if I just click submit, and it will start to create the images for me. Also, I didn't give any aspect ratio here, so it will give me a random aspect ratio. So if I just show you that I have been using this for a couple of times, and these are the images that I created that I showed you already, and I also tell it to create the aspect ratio for me. So as you can see, this is a 4:3 aspect ratio, and sometimes I change it to another aspect ratio, 16:9. So as you can see, I created this image with 4:3 aspect ratio. So when you try to create an image with different aspect ratio, you have to provide the prompt here. So these are the aspect ratio. Other aspect ratio you can choose and create 4K quality image in Lovart.ai. So all the images that I created here are 4K quality, and I just show you the image size of this type of images. So here again, I'm going to show you another website where you can use the Nano Banana Pro for free, which is LM Arena. And if you don't know what is LM Arena, basically LM Arena is just a chatbot like other AI chatbot, and you can use different type of chatbot to compare themselves. So if you just go to Google and search for LM Arena, you will find this website AI, and you can use many other AI model to compare themselves, and you don't need to sign up, but if you sign up you can use your chat, like see your chat history. So to create images with Nano Banana Pro for free, just go to battle option, and here you'll find this direct chat. Click on this, and you can see the first option is Gemini 3. Okay, sorry, you just need to first select the generate images here. And you can see the first option is Gemini 3 Pro Image Preview Nano Banana, which is the Pro version. Now you can give any prompt here. Also, there is no aspect ratio to choose. So this will create random aspect ratio. So if I just give the prompt here and tell it to make it aspect ratio of 16:9, so it will give me the image in aspect ratio of 16:9 and click submit. And it will start to create the images for me. And basically, if we also see the LM Arena videos, basically there are free tool of all the other images. You can use this for unlimited time if you know the method of the multiple email or the temp email, or using the incognito mode. So our image has been ready, as you can see, and this is the aspect by 16:9 ratio. And also you can edit this, but remember, this will not create you the 4K quality image. This is the default image, which will use maybe the lesser resolution that the default resolution used the Nano Banner Pro using. So if you want to edit this image, you can also edit this for free in this LM Arena. So if I just go ahead and download this, so our image has been ready. As you can see, this is only 1.3 MB. I download this, and if you want to edit this image, you can see there's a upload image option. Just click on this upload image, and here you'll find the image, and I'll just upload it. And just give it a random prompt to show you that also you can use the Nano Banana Pro for free and edit your own image. So I just give a random prompt here, make the astronaut suit color to orange, and if I just click submit, and hopefully this will change the astronaut suit color to orange. And sometimes it glitched because you need to use the new chat again here to edit any image, because this is free and many people are using this right now. But let's see if it can do it in one time. But if it doesn't work, you can also go to this option and start a new chat, upload your own image and start editing. So as you can see, our image has been ready, and it correctly changed the astronaut suit to orange here. And you can also download this for free, and currently, as you can see, this is using now the Nano Banana Pro. So I have shown you three images model here, three website here to use, which is Dreamina AI, as you can see. And also this is currently creating the images, but maybe you don't have to use the Dreamina AI because this will give you a watermark when you download. Also, the another website is Lovart AI, where you can create right now for this free. I don't know how many time it will give you to use the for free to create the images 4K quality using the Nano Banana Pro. As you can see, I have 1095 credits, and it didn't use any credits because currently right now the Nano Banana Pro is free in Lovart AI. And the quality in Lovart AI is the actual 4K quality. So if I just click on this download this image, as you can see, the single image is 28.1 MB. And the next that I showed you is the LM Arena. So I was trying to create some cool, realistic samurai action style images. As you can see, these are also created by Nano Banana Pro. And I create this image, then I upload it again and change the color to red, and I also change the color to red. So that's it, guys. This is the three way you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. And you can also use this for free in Gemini, but after 2 or 3 credit creating 3 images, it will give you limitation. But maybe the LM Arena is totally for free, and also the Lovart AI that I'm currently using right now is totally free. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and if you like this random wallpaper, I'll give the prompt in the description box so you can use it for testing. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.